Hello, today I want to introduce the 4 stages of OCD treatment. Stage 1 is my favorite. It is the recognizing stage. It's sort of the realizing that you're part of a community of people that are experiencing very, very similar symptomology, and we're really here for each other. So stage 1 is all about, okay, I have OCD. Where is it showing up? Who else has it? What is there for me to learn about it? Stage 2 is the toughest one. Stage 2 is sometimes referred to at my practice as the dark times, because it's the beginning of that treatment in earnest, which can often shake up your nervous system before it makes it feel better. Stage 2 is also when we have an extinction burst, which is where the behavior gets really, really activated before it starts to calm down. Stage 3, another great stage. This is change is good. In stage 3, you've gotten through that initial discomfort, that really difficult hump of, I don't know if I can do this. This is making me feel worse. And in stage 3, you are starting to feel better. And stage 4 is bye-bye therapist. You are in maintenance. In stage 4, you are leading a self-directed life that is no longer controlled by OCD.